What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this exciting video. In this video I am going to show you how to make money with completing surveys, and it's 100% free. In this video I am going to show you top 5 survey website that will help you to make PayPal money, and you can easily apply it, you can easily do it, and you can easily earn PayPal money. I am Rajbhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JVZoo, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, be ready to see all the 5 high-paid survey website, and it's open for all over the world, and you can make easily PayPal money on the daily basis. So guys, first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Rajbhadra and punch the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos, new videos inside my YouTube channel. And you see here, it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. And if you want to make money by affiliate marketing, and if you want to long run your online marketing journey, then check my YouTube channel and check all of my videos here. I am uploading videos on the daily basis. You see here, you will get ClickBank method, JVZoo method, Warrior Plus method, CPA method, free traffic, high ticket program, everything, the combination of every marketing you will get inside my YouTube channel. You can see here. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month or more like me, then check my number on recommendation here or check my video description. So guys, be ready to see top 5 high paid survey website, and it's for all over the world. If you are in Asia, Europe, America, it doesn't matter, anyone can do it all over the world. So it's a big opportunity to make some extra money. But at first I want to say, completing survey or this type of survey website never help you to make big money. You can make a certain money for your living, but you can't make huge money. You can't make $1,000 per month doing this simple survey task, but you can make a certain money. And it's the best way if you can earn money by this survey website, and you can invest this money to learn online marketing, to learn affiliate marketing. Most of the successful affiliate marketer, online marketer do this thing and get success for a long time. So guys, don't miss any part of this video, and if you want to make PayPal money on the daily basis, then check all those 5 high paid survey site and start your journey. But at first I want to say, show the best part of these survey sites. You can earn 50 per day, highest 50, but most of the case you can make less than 50. Then it's 100% free. You don't need to invest any money, any single dollar, to join any of these high paid survey sites and apply this site. Then you have to work on or less per day, because this survey sites needs some survey related. Do you like Pepsi or Coca-Cola? Do you have any car? Do you want to like shop on online? This type of, do you want to like to play video games? Do you want to like to watch videos? Then you have to install some apps, you have to review some apps, some videos, this type of task. So you just need 1 hour or less per day, then you can earn PayPal money. And doing all those surveys, you don't need any working skill. or any marketing skill. And all those high paid service sites is 100% workable. A lot of people, millions, over millions of people already earn all those sites, and it's open for all over the world. If you are an Asian, if you are an Indian, Pakistan, every country, Europe, America, everyone, anyone all over the world can apply this simple task. And you don't need to buy any software, or you don't need to use any software to apply those service sites and make those service. Now I want to show some negative side. You see here the negative side of survey task. You can't make big money. Okay, then it's not a permanent income source. It may be up and down, so it's not a permanent income source. And you can't make passive money. If you want to make passive money, then you have to grow your traffic, and you have to promote affiliate offers, or you have to promote your own coaching on software services. But it's not like this, so you can't make passive money. So guys, that's it. Now let's check into my computer and see all the top 5 high paid service sites, and it's for all over the world, and you are going to make PayPal money if you apply this task, apply this service. But first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos, all the new updates, new videos inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money, then you have to start affiliate marketing, you have to start online marketing. And if you want to start affiliate marketing, online marketing, and want to long run your journey, then you can pause all of my videos. You can choose any of the method and apply it and get the results. Most of the method I show my real life case studies, so you can check it. Now number on server side, you see here Swashbucks. You see here get free gift card and cash for the everyday everything you do online here. And now in this server side, you can earn points. You see here shop online. You when you purchase anything from online under this server side, under this apps, you can get some points, and these points turn into PayPal money. Then watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn your points. It's There is no difficult task anything here, just simple task. When you log in, when you sign up this server site, you will get all the system step by step. Here is the support team, and you will get all the support inside here. And I think it's the best, and it's the large server site all over the world. You see here they already paid 7 million, over 7 million member, and we give out 7,000 free gift card every day. So you can understand it, and simply task here, start task here, and get earn point and make it your PayPal money. Now number 2, Timebucks. You see here you can simply log in here using your Facebook, or you can use your email to sign up here. Then what type of task you need to do? You see here post on TikTok. Okay, then view funny slideshows, then play video games, then install apps, then complete captchas, then post on Instagram, and answer surveys. Just simply click here and ask the simple task what you need to do inside this Timebucks, and you can earn PayPal money. And most of the server sites is a low payment rate ratio, as mean If you earn $5 or $10, then you can cash out your earning points, earning money. So it's so much easy and so much flexible for anyone to earn $5 or $10, and after earning $5 or $10 you can easily cash out your earning points, earning money. Now number 3, it's Ideal Empire. You see here, idealempire.com, earn free skin games, gift card and cryptocurrencies. You see here the steps, the 3 steps here. At first you have to sign up here, and it's so much easy and simple. You can sign up via Google, Facebook, Twitter or Discord. Okay, then you have to earn points as Swag Bucks. You can earn point by completing tasks and offers, watch videos, play mobile games, test software or invite your friends. It's called a referral. So you can earn your points doing those tasks, those things. And you can exchange your points for skins, games, gift card and cryptocurrencies. That's it. And after sign up here you will get everything in details inside this Ideal Empire. Now number 4, it's survey time. You see here, it's another exciting, and I think it's a new survey website, and inside here you will get $1 reward, and when you complete your task you will get 50 cents. Every task is for $1 and you will get 50 cents per task, and you just get instant reward with $1 for every survey when you complete. You see here, you can simply log in into your Facebook, Google or Twitter, and you see you will get paid instant in PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, Target gift card. So there is no hassles to get your payments, and you can easily cash out it from completing your task. And number 5, paid viewpoints. It's as this Swag Bucks. You can sign up here, register here for free. After that you will get all the instruction what you need to do and how you can earn points and get your payment via PayPal, gift card, Amazon gift card. That's it. So guys, all those by 5 high paid survey sites at the present time at 2020 or the upcoming years, upcoming months, you will get the best surveys inside in all of those 5 high paid survey sites. Number 1, Swag Bucks. Number 2, Time Bucks. Number 3, Ideal Empire. Number 4, Survey Time. And number 5, paid viewpoints. You will get a lot of survey sites, but all the survey sites are not proven to send your payments. You can't cash out from there. So you have to do the right place if you want to earn PayPal money or if you want to earn a certain money. But at first I already said it, you can't make big money using any survey sites. You can make a certain money, you can make a little money, and you can invest this money to learn online marketing, to learn affiliate marketing. And that's the best way. Most of the online marketer do it and first learn affiliate marketing, online marketing for make big money. So guys, that's it. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Rajibhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos, and to get latest videos, latest tips about make money online affiliate marketing, you will get inside my YouTube channel. And you see here inside my YouTube channel you will get ClickBank method, JBZoo method, free traffic, social media traffic, Facebook traffic, affiliate marketing, Amazon, health product, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. And most of the video I show all of my real life case studies, so you can easily apply it and you can get the best result. You can make over 10,000 per month like me. And if you want to make 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation here or check my video description. And if you have any question about this video, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your queries, to reply your questions. And don't forget to share this video with other people, with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. And I am going to uh, come with another exciting clickbank method in the next video. So guys, that's it. See you soon. Bye.